Welcome to my balcony garden. This was my first weekend here and I ran to Home Depot to get a bunch of plants. I have cherry tomatoes, sweet peppers, cilantro, lettuce, and some new things that I sowed from seed. I have a bunch of wild chickens and roosters as my neighbors. This flower is called Snapdragon and it's doing really well. I bought plants that I would normally buy at the grocery store. I observed the light in the garden and I noticed that I only get about an hour direct light every day. An hour of direct light is definitely not enough for any of these plants to thrive, especially the tomatoes and the peppers. So I'm gonna start turning my garden into a shade garden. This is the corner where I sowed wildflowers from seed, and I can tell that they are struggling. It's been about 2 months, and at this point in time, they should be growing a lot more leaves, and they should be growing taller, but the growth is really stunted. These sunflowers should be developing flower heads at this point, but they're not getting enough light. I started to fill in some of the planters with sun coleus. I love the hot pink and green combination. Eventually, I'm gonna pull out these leggy sunflower seeds because I really don't think they're gonna flower. These were houseplant cuttings that I brought from New York, but I'm gonna grow them out here and see how they do. I have some plants that I'm propagating in water indoors, including this mint. This light green one is philodendron moonlight. The leaf with the jagged edges is called begonia. And this bigger guy is called arrowhead. I'm gonna transplant them outside once they root. Hopefully in the next video, I'll be able to show you a colorful shade garden. Thanks for watching.